If you're eating keto or carnivore, you probably heard concerns that eating all this protein is somehow creating metabolic waste and clogging your system. But what if the real question isn't about how much protein you're eating? What if the real question is whether your brain's cleaning system is working properly? Today, we're talking about the lymphatic system, your brain's built-in waste removal system, and why keto, carnivore, and protein may support the conditions that help it do its job. We know kidneys filter waste. We know liver processes waste. But what about the brain? For years, scientists weren't entirely sure how the brain removed waste products created by normal brain activity. Then researchers discovered the glymphatic system. Think of it as your brain's plumbing. Your brain is working all day long, thinking, learning, remembering, making decisions. All of that activity creates metabolic waste. During deep sleep, spaces between brain cells expand, allowing for cerebrospinal fluid to move more freely through the brain tissue. That fluid helps to wash away waste that accumulated during the day. And during the day, your brain is working. During the night, it is cleaning. One of the waste products researchers studied is called beta-amyloid, and this is where many people get confused. They hear that beta-amyloid is a protein and immediately assume eating more protein somehow creates more beta-amyloid. But that's not how it works. Beta-amyloid isn't coming from your ribeye. It's produced naturally by your brain as part of normal cellular metabolism. The protein on your plate is not the same thing as the protein being discussed in Alzheimer's research. That's a little like saying the protein in your steak is the same thing as the protein in your hair. They're both proteins, but they serve very different purposes. The real issue isn't eating protein, the real issue is cleanup. And the glymphatic system doesn't remove waste from the food you eat, it removes waste created by the process of being alive, thinking, learning, remembering, living. That creates waste, and every night your brain has to take out the trash. So where do keto and carnivore fit into this story? The glymphatic system doesn't operate in isolation. It operates within the metabolic environment you create every day. Factors such as insulin resistance, chronic unstable blood sugar, and poor sleep may negatively affect your brain health. So many people who adopt a ketogenic or carnivore lifestyle have better sleep, more stable energy, less brain fog, improved focus, and greater mental clarity. Why? Because you're not just changing your waistline, you're changing the environment in which the brain functions. Protein provides amino acids needed to build and repair tissues throughout the day. Low-carb eating often improves blood sugar regulation and metabolic health. And perhaps more importantly, many people experience better sleep quality. And sleep is when the glymphatic system does its most important work. Keto and carnivore don't clean the brain directly, but they may create the metabolic conditions that allow the brain's own cleaning system to function at its best. During the day, the brain is working. During the night, it is cleaning. I'm Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor. If you found Fact Friday helpful, let me know in the comments. And have you ever heard of the glymphatic system before today? I'll see you next time.